everyone, my name is Niyant. So today I'm going to make a video about a soap boat. This is called a spatula, some liquid soap and some water and a tip. Now we will have a cup with a liquid soap and a few drops of water. And then pour some more water into the tray. Then cut out a small triangle. Then get your spatula and place the small triangle into the tray with water. Now dip the spatula into the tray with liquid soap and water. Then touch it behind. As you can see, it moves forward. Surface tension is the force that holds water together. When soap is added, it reduces the surface tension behind the boat. Since surface tension is higher in front of the boat is propelled forward. Now I need a new boat because it is already used. Now I will add a few more boats. If you want, you can do this. If not, it's not compulsory. Now dip the spatula into the liquid soap again and start pushing the boat from behind. As you can see, mine is not working, so I have to add a little more liquid soap from here. Don't add too much liquid soap. Now again, dip it in and start pushing. For some reason, mine is not working. The reason why this happened is surface tension is the force that holds water together. When soap is added, it reduces the surface tension behind the boat. Since surface tension is higher in front of the boat is propelled forward. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.